to the Baltimore Blizzard. I'm the only person crazy enough to be out here in this blizzard, walking around. But maybe you all would like to see what the past few days have brought us. Luckily, we still have power. No school or work. No roads. No cars. It's pretty awesome, actually. Just a few minutes ago, I fell into a huge pile of snow up to my elbows and had to crawl out. Quite an experience.
1, 2, 3, 4. When I'm going out west where I belong, when the days are short and the nights are long, and I walk, and then walk, I choose, and then choose, and I shimmy, and then shimmy, and I fly, and then fly. Well, I say having fun in the warm California sun. When I'm going out west down on the coast, where the California girls are really the best. And I walk, and then walk, I choose, and then choose, and I shimmy, and then shimmy, and I fly, and then fly. Well, I say having fun in the warm